Hello Abuja, welcome to TLI community. Today we'll be going on the streets of Abuja to ask people what skills do they have, how they monetize their skills, and what skills they would like to learn in the following year. Let's go.
I'm a fitness instructor. I'm also a model.
I'm an electrician.
I'm a copper.
I'm a businessman.
Well, a stylist.
I'm a businessman.
I trade cryptocurrencies and gift card.
I repair a computer. I'm a computer maintenance.
I repair computers and software installation as well. Yeah. I did computer diploma. So from there I learned how to repair computer. I was coupling. I started with a desktop computer before I graduated to repairing of laptop. But now I am into the sales. I don't go into the sales. I don't repair again.
You can make hair very well.
Oh wow.
Fix nails, and you can just everything about ladies.
I love anything concerning light. I love touching anything, repairing anything concerning light.
I bake cake, but I can't really call myself a confectionarist. I'm just doing it at home. And then recently I started learning how to make bags.
I can make nails. I can teach people on how to get the perfect shape, on how to diet too. And I also do content creating. Yeah, content creation, yes.
I do supply also. I sell computers and including security gadgets. I sell also. I do programming. I do a lot in the aspect of computers. Yeah. And again, I'm a contractor.
Yeah, I have a lot of skill on my mind, but I haven't started it yet. Like I like networking. Okay, so it's one of the skill I'm learning to learn.
In my neighborhood, I tell people about myself. In my friends and neighbors, just I advertise myself. We are online. I'm into Facebook, WhatsApp, all these media stuffs.
As an instructor, when people come to you, when people see your body, when they see my body, they want to have that body. So I tell them what it takes, the certain amount of money to pay for it if you want to get this body. And I teach them on how to get that body. And for me to teach them, they have to pay a certain amount of money. And that's it. And if I also have someone who wants to create a content, be it fashion or otherwise, I tell you, if it's for 1 hour, this is the amount it's going to take. If it's for a month, this is the amount it's going to take. So that's how it generates funds for me.
It's good to have handwork. I make a good money. In fact, so many people here serve people in order to get their own shop. But now, through the scale, I was able to raise some cash, and from repairing like that, I was able to maybe get some small money and started buying from my clients from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, until I was able to have a reasonable number of laptops and desktop. I was able to start my own.
When I render my services to the clients and they pay me, and I will save to add to my hair business, then the other parts I will take care of myself. Yeah.
In a layman's definition, business is about gain, profit, and loss. But recently now, we do make money before, not now. The present situation the country is now. I import these items you are saying. considering the cost of charges, duties, and the rest of them. If like I'm making like I say 20% out of what I do before, now is drop like 5%. So, but we'll still manage it.
I post my computers to website, something like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah.
I make money from the crypto trade and gift cards, like posting online, my WhatsApp, and sometimes Instagram. Yeah, I'm thinking of taking it to the next level.
Well, for this aspect, like I said, I haven't really started monetizing. So I just started learning how to make bags. But eventually, by God's grace, when they start, paying us something, I'd hope to open my own brand for the bags, because a lady needs bag.
Like I do post online about my skills, and people that come around, I train them.
Unfortunately, I'm a pastor, and I did networking, but I want to add another one to my skill, in the sense that I want to learn telecom. I want to go to office for contract, so that I can supply system to them.
I just want to learn interior decoration. I think it's going to go well for me.
I would have loved to be producing 2023. Like these things that we are importing is something that we can produce here. If we will be equipped mechanizedly to have the machines, we can produce much more of it here and meet up with our customer satisfaction.
Like this particular one I have is already taking a lot of
your time. Okay.
Yeah, like 85% of my time.
Okay,
Like I'll have to stay awake all through the night to make wig.
Yeah.
Like the next day, maybe I will just compile them to send out. Maybe go to any of the terminals or logistics too. So I just have to meet up with a lot of them. So I have to just stay awake all through the night to week. And I will just have few hours sleep.
Oh, wow.
So the next day, I won't be able to. Obviously, I can't learn any other skills apart from that one. Yeah.
I want to add CCTV installation and repairs on the electrical wiring I'm doing already.
I don't think I need skills again, because the one I have already helped me get to where I've never had dream to become an employer or to have any skill apart from being a businessman. That's what I drive joining, and I would like to go find doing the business. I don't need skills.
I have a lot of skills that I've been so adamant to learn. So, and one of them is networking.